Hello everyone, I'm JC Lee from Hanjiang Vita Machinery. In the last video, I showed you the waterline section of our 5-ton African natural rubber production line. Today, let's dive deeper into two key components: the tunnel drying furnace and the packing line. Follow my camera as we explore these systems in detail. First, let's focus on Vita Machinery's tunnel drying furnace. Built with a steel structure frame and modular design just like Lego blocks. It ensures rapid and hassle-free installation while maintaining stability, eliminating risks of deformation or collapse. The furnace body is sealed with 304 stainless steel, offering exceptional anti-corrosion and rust-proof performance. Our unique circulating temperature control system operates in a low-temperature baking mode, minimizing temperature fluctuations. This allows hot air to evenly penetrate each rubber block, resulting in a golden hue and uniform quality. No underbaking or overbaking. Plus, this furnace is incredibly fuel flexible. It can utilize wood, coal, biomass, nutshells, rice husks, and even natural liquefied gas or petroleum gas. The composite insulation layer further enhances thermal efficiency and extends service life. The drying line features an integrated electric control system, designed for user-friendly operation while reducing power loss effectively. Now, let's move to the packaging line. After the discharge device out the rubber blocks, look at their beautiful, uniform colors. Staff transferred them to the weighing platform. Each rubber bag is precision weighted to 33.3 or 35 kilograms. Next, the weighed rubber enters the automatic packaging machine for block forming. After pressing, each block is reweighed, passed through a metal detector to eliminate any shavings, and finally wrapped in film to complete the packaging. That's the full cycle of natural rubber processing, packing, and preparation for shipment. With over 20 years of focus on natural rubber equipment, Hanjiang Vita Machinery brings rich experience and professional technology to every project. If you have related needs, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you achieve twice the result with half the effort. Hanjiang Vita Machinery, your trusted partner in rubber processing. What equipment would you like me to showcase next? Leave your requests in the comments.